Hi, thank you for joining eGlass Railing for this installation video. Here we will demonstrate the main steps for installing our eGlass solid continuous top rail system, which includes a wider top rail option that runs over posts for a seamless frame. Before installing this system, familiarize yourself with local building codes for compliance and consult the instructional PDF for more tips and detailed instructions. To begin, reference the layout sheet provided by your estimator to determine the locations of your posts and prepare them with blocking, if necessary. Mark where the base plate holes will be and line up the holes for your base plate pads with these marks. Select a base plate and post blank for installation. Attach the base plate to the post using 6 flathead screws indicated in the instructional PDF. Tighten firmly into place. Slide screw cover sleeves into the holes of the base plate and place screw cover bases over the holes. Fasten the base plate to the deck or other surface using the anchor bolts indicated in the instructional PDF. Continue tightening the bolts until the head is firmly seated against the base plate. Be careful not to over-tighten. Snap the screw cover caps onto the screw cover bases. Repeat this process for each post. Place the drill guide on the side of a post and cut the post to its final height. Repeat for each post. Use the drill guide again to mark the screw locations for the lower rail connecting block or RCB. Remove the drill card and attach the RCB to the post. Repeat for each post. At the top of the posts, place one washer over a corner screw chase. This washer will be used to support the elevated half of the mounting bracket. Position the large elongated holes of the mounting bracket over the washer and another corner screw chase. For straight runs, screw everything into place and repeat this process on the other side of the post. For corners, place the second mounting bracket over the first bracket, then screw everything into place. Do not over-tighten. Repeat this for each post. Set the bottom rail down onto the lower RCBs until it snaps into place. Use the panhead tech screws indicated in the instructional PDF to secure the rail to the RCBs. Snap the bottom rail glass vinyl into the top of the bottom rail. Snap the rail cover into the underside of the bottom rail to complete the assembly. Place each section of top rail over your posts. The center walls inside the top rail should rest on the tabs of the mounting brackets. Use the included screws to attach the mounting bracket tabs to the center walls. Snap the top rail infill into the underside of the top rail. Do the same with the top rail vinyl. Now that the frame is finished, it's time to slide the glass panel into place. Center the panel between the posts. To make the glass installation easier, coat the top and bottom edges of the glass with foaming glass cleaner. Insert the glass panel up into the top rail vinyl at an angle, then push the bottom part of the glass panel forward to line it up with the bottom rail before setting it down into the bottom rail vinyl. Complete the railing by snapping caps into the open ends of the top rail. Thanks for watching and enjoy your finished glass railing. If you are interested in this railing, be sure to visit our website at eglassrailing.com and click on the green button at the top of the page to request an estimate from one of our railing experts. For additional questions, give us a call at 800-545-1275 or send an email to sales@eglassrailing.com.